And Daniel, because you are playing the 12th in line, possibly 11th,
Yes.
to the throne, and where you come from, did you have to worry about actually offending any true royals that you know?
I don't. Everyone has this fantastic assumption that I know royalty. I was asked this in an interview the other day, and I said I think I'd met Fergie at one point at the first Harry Potter premiere, and everyone was disgusted with my answer. They were very ashamed of that I hadn't met better royalty. I'm like, no, I haven't. But yeah, it's I don't know. I feel like even English people who love the monarchy, a lot of them can still acknowledge that it is a crazy institution with a lot of insane traditions and pageantry, and it's very fertile ground for comedy. So I definitely I don't think anyone would be offended by it. Although maybe I'm wrong.
I just think it's cool that Fergie from the Black Eyed Peas is royalty. That's amazing.
That is pretty amazing. Well, she is the Duchess.
I didn't know that.
I didn't either.